welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is the first time watching one of my videos. My name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and today I'm going to be running through my favourite design trends, / what I'm currently obsessed with, / my muses for this particular month. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've got my iPad and some notes here in front of me, so I just stay focused on what I want to say, and yeah, I will get through this to get. Okay, so first up we have this amazing floral rug. This piece is from a design house. It's called Mooi. It's spelled M-O-O-I, and I am obsessed with it. Now this is on the higher end of the market. It's a design house, so typically the furniture in design houses are very expensive and they're very custom, and they're pretty much art. As you can see, this is pretty much art, and it's amazing. It's practically a piece of art for your feet. I love the colours, I love the print, I love the shape, I love the style, I love everything about this piece. And it would also be amazing as a wallpaper. I love the colours. I just think it's truly stunning, and it's a statement piece as well. And there's so many different ways you could style this and put it in your home. I'd be too scared to personally, because I wouldn't want to ruin it. I'd frame it because it's so like stunning. But anyway, I'm gonna move on because I could talk all day about this rug. I'm just like staring at it like, I want it so bad. But the next piece is a stunning light fixture. It's also from the design house Mooi, and it is so pretty. It's so like, I don't know, it reminds me like of fairies or something. It's just so pretty and delicate, and I don't know what else to say other than this piece is truly stunning. And it starts at, it starts at 781 euros, so that's like a small version of it. Like it goes up to, I think it's 5,000, so it's crazy like expensive. But I mean, it's a sculptural piece as well, so it's a piece of art. It's from a massive designer, so it's obviously going to be expensive because it has a name attached to it as well. Okay, so next up we have this stunning vase. It's designed by Marcel Wanders. He's like an amazing designer. You should look him up because some of his pieces are so like out there and crazy and cool, and just like some of his designs remind me of like Alice in Wonderland, that kind of surrealist style, like artistic, just amazing. And this is from a range of ceramic vases. The vases are reinterpreting and revitalizing Delft blue and Old Dutch craft, using new ideas for shapes and decoration. I am truly obsessed with the simplicity of this design and how it creates such a statement, and it's so, oh, the colour scheme is just white and gold, and it's just amazing. As you can see, I don't know if the picture's up now or if it's already been up. It's from like a range of ceramics. There's so many different, it's so creative and so cool, and just the way your flowers would look in these vases is truly like next level. It's like, okay, so, and then the next thing I want to talk about is metallics. And as you've probably seen around the place in magazines or in shops or on Pinterest and Instagram, metallics are huge this time at the minute, and I feel like metallics will always be like very popular because it's timeless. So I have a few examples. I'm going to put them up on the screen here. Just a cool, like, brass is very in at the minute. Brass is huge at the minute. It's in everything. It's in accessories, it's in mirrors, it's in doorknobs, it's in kitchens, it's in dining spaces, it's in bedrooms, it's in everywhere. So like brass is everywhere. And I also have, like, you know, some cool structural pieces put in there as well, because I feel like you could do something really cool with them, like structured pieces where you could like throw like a nice plush velvet or a fur throw over them, just give that nice juxtaposition. And I also want to put up an image of an entryway. I don't know where in the world it is or who designed it, but I love it. Every single piece in this image is just timeless. Trends come and go, but like everything in this image is like gonna last forever. It's just stunning. The colors, just everything is just stunning, and it's just amazing. I don't, as they say, a picture speaks 1,000 words, and I'm speechless over it because it's just everything, like the details, the finishes, the fabrics, the texture is just beautiful. It could be in like, oh, and the last thing I want to talk about is I'm obsessing over or musing over, if that's a word, is solid wood tables, and just like, you know, that rustic solid wood. I love how organic it looks. It's so natural, and the reason I think I'm obsessing over it is because you see it, like it's so versatile as well. You could place it in, like, you know, a lovely country kitchen, or you could place it in a modern dining space, and it would fit perfectly every time. And I especially love the ones where it looks like they literally just cut a tree and plopped on some legs and stuck it in. It just looks amazing. Like, there's such a story behind the wood as well. You can see every grain, every year it's been alive. It's just amazing. Like, I want one of these so badly, and like that would look so good against like an upholstered kind of chair. Just so much you could do with these ideas. So guys, that is it for my design muses, my obsessions for this month. I really hope you got some lovely ideas from this video. If you did, let me know down in the comments. What's your favorite thing from this video? Did you like the metallics? Did you like the rug? Did you like the lighting? Did you like the tables? Just let me know all your thoughts and everything down in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now. I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.